The return of an icon is always a momentous occasion, and in 2025, Toyota has done just that with the rebirth of the legendary Land Cruiser FJ40. This modern take on the classic off-roader pays homage to its roots while integrating cutting-edge technology and engineering. Toyota enthusiasts and off-road purists have long revered the FJ40 for its rugged durability, simple yet effective design, and unmatched reliability. With the 2025 model, Toyota aims to capture that same essence while making it suitable for the modern world. The new Land Cruiser FJ40 retains the boxy, utilitarian shape that made it an icon. Toyota has skillfully blended retro styling cues with modern aerodynamics and materials. The round headlights and front grille remain true to the original, but now feature LED technology for improved visibility and energy efficiency. The sturdy steel bumpers, flared wheel arches, and pronounced lines on the bodywork enhance its off-road presence while maintaining a refined look. The color palette includes classic hues like desert sand, olive green, and glacier white, paying homage to the original lineup. Under the hood, Toyota offers multiple powertrain options to cater to diverse customer preferences. The base model comes equipped with a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, producing ample torque for off-road adventures. For those seeking more power, a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 gas engine is available, offering an impressive balance between performance and fuel efficiency. Toyota has also introduced a hybrid variant, featuring a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, designed to deliver robust torque and reduced emissions without compromising capability. The 2025 FJ40 is built on Toyota's TNGA-F platform, which underpins its larger SUV siblings. This ensures superior rigidity, improved ride comfort, and excellent off-road articulation. A full-time four-wheel drive system with locking differentials and an advanced terrain management system makes tackling challenging terrain easier than ever. A newly developed suspension setup, featuring adaptive dampers and increased wheel travel, further enhances off-road prowess. With a ground clearance of over 10 inches and approach and departure angles optimized for extreme trails, the FJ40 is ready for any adventure. Inside the cabin, Toyota has combined rugged functionality with modern convenience. The dashboard features a mix of analog and digital elements, with an easy-to-read gauge cluster reminiscent of the original FJ40. A large touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while a premium JBL audio system ensures high-quality sound. The seats are upholstered in durable, water-resistant materials, and the cabin layout prioritizes ease of use, with large physical buttons and rotary dials suitable for gloved hands. Safety has also been a key focus in the development of the 2025 Land Cruiser FJ40. Toyota has equipped it with the latest version of the Toyota Safety Sense suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system to assist in tight spots. Advanced off-road driver aids such as crawl control and multi-terrain select ensure confidence while navigating rough landscapes. Pricing for the 2025 Land Cruiser FJ40 starts at around $55,000 for the base model, with higher trims and hybrid variants pushing the price closer to $70,000. The demand for classic-inspired off-roaders has surged in recent years, and Toyota's revival of the FJ40 is expected to be a major success. With a blend of nostalgia, modern performance, and rugged capability, the 2025 Land Cruiser FJ40 is set to become a future classic in its own right. Enthusiasts and adventurers alike will find it to be a perfect blend of old-school charm and contemporary innovation.